Alright Steam Deck fans, it's happening! Valve is back with an exciting new refresh of the Steam Deck OLED, and this one's dressed to impress. We're talking about a sleek, limited edition white model. If you've been waiting for a Steam Deck with a unique look, here's your chance. But a heads up, it's coming in limited numbers. So, let's dive into what makes this release special, and why it's worth marking your calendar for November 18th. Now, let's get to the good stuff. This white Steam Deck OLED isn't just about a fresh paint job. They're throwing in a matching white carrying case and even a white microfiber cloth to complete the look. So if you're into a cohesive look that stands out, this model has you covered. Think of it as your chance to rock a sleek, special edition Steam Deck that'll definitely get some attention. In terms of performance, the white model sticks with the same specs as the 1TB OLED variant. So no changes in performance, just the look. It's priced at $679, which includes those extras, making it a pretty complete package for anyone who wants something that both plays and looks great. Here's the deal though, Valve's only releasing a limited number of these white models, and if past releases are any clue, they're gonna go fast. The launch is set for 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on November 18th, so if you're serious about snagging one, you'll need to be ready to pounce as soon as it goes live. Timing is everything with these drops, so don't wait. So, what do you think? Does this white Steam Deck OLED have your attention? Are you planning to set your alarm for launch day? Let us know in the comments. And if you don't want to miss out on more updates like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching this entire video. Peace out.